Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Wow Embossing, and today we're celebrating our recent release with a super fun video hop. I want to show you all the products that we have in this bumper release, and then you'll find the link to the next participant in our description below. So I'm starting with these sentiment stamp sets that we've released. There are 4 of them. We have one that's happy birthday, love, and thank you, and you get that main sentiment in that beautiful scripty font, and then some smaller sub-sentiments that you can use with or without the main one. And you can mix and match these and really have some fun, and we think that they are a great staple to add to your collection. Next up, we have 3 background stamps. These were designed by our very own Verity, along with those sentiment stamps that we've just looked at. So we're really excited to be sharing these. We have the fern, we have foliage outline and foliage bold. And you can mix those two, the bold and the outline foliage. They do work together, so you can stamp them with each other or on their own. We also have another background stamp from Marion. This is called Scrunch. I think this is perfect for all you mixed media lovers out there. We are also introducing a new line to our product, and we are now going to be releasing stencils, which is really, really exciting. We can't wait to see what you make with these. So this is our confetti range. We have the confetti heart and circle, and then I'm just showing you there that you get the positive and the negative for the heart, so you get a mask as well, and you can mix and match how you use them. They will all fit together. You can mask the heart and add around it. You could ink blend the heart and add the confetti around. There are loads and loads and loads of different options, and we're going to be showing you some ways you can use them on the hop today. So this is the Confetti Circle, which works the same as the heart. You get that mask as well. And I wanted to show you that these are really, really good quality, thick, sturdy stencils. So these are going to take any medium that you want to throw at it, which is obviously a huge bonus. Then we have the Heartfelt Stencil as well, where you get a heart and the mask, and then those other 3 heart stencils with the patterns on can layer up on top of the heart if you want to. They all fit together. Next, we're super excited that we are offering some slimline stencils too, and I love them. They're the same great quality, and we've got the lots of dots, lots of bubbles, and lots of hearts. And again, we'll be showing you some ways that you can use those through our hop today. Moving on to our actual powders, we have 2 new trios. The first one is this is Fairground, and it is gorgeous. You've got Ice Cream, which is like a creamy off-white embossing glitter. You've got Candy Floss, which is that pink embossing glitter, and that one in the centre there, that is Carnival. So they are all glitters. The next trio that we have, this is one from Jo Firth Young, and this is English Garden, and these are beautiful. There's a pink embossing glitter called Petalicious. Then you have Fresh Stem, which is like greens with some gold mixed through, and then Twiggy, which is the brown at the bottom. We're increasing our line of Ultra High by adding Copper Ultra High, so that's really exciting. There's lots can be done with that. Then we have these 3 standalone powders, all from Marion. We have Pinkish, Pink Tutu, and Periwinkle. They're all embossing glitters, and they're beautiful, really beautiful. We are also expanding our Catherine Pooler line with 3 new embossing glitters that match some of the new inks that she's recently brought out. So we have In the Park, A Touch of Lemon, and Cummerbund. Again, those are embossing glitters. So as you can see, it's a pretty big release, and we're really excited about it. So we've got loads and loads and loads of fun things to show you. I'm going to talk to you about the actual hop itself, whilst we show you some of the inspiration from our wonderful, amazing design team. They are awesome. So we'll have some of these photos and links and everything available on the blog, which will be linked below. As I mentioned before, this is a video hop, so I will have the link to the next participant in the description below. We're having this video hop, and we're also having a hop over on Instagram as well. So we will be choosing one winner from all of the comments left across the YouTube hop for a $25 or £25 voucher to either our US or UK store. And we will be doing the same over on Instagram as well. We'll choose one winner from the comments left on all the posts over there as well to win another $25 or £1 gift card. So that's super exciting. You can get some shopping done. So I encourage you to hop through the videos that we have. Please do give a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the person, then I encourage you to subscribe. That would be very nice. And yeah, don't forget to leave comments to be in with a chance of winning that voucher. I'll also have the Instagram hop linked below so that you can head over there as well and see lots more inspiration, and leave comments over there for another chance to win the voucher. We have so many amazingly talented designers, and we are really lucky and proud to have them. And I want to say again, a huge well done and congratulations to Verity. She has just knocked it out of the park with these. She has done the sentiment stamps, the 3 nature leaf themed background stamps, and the Confetti Circle and Confetti Heart stencils, and they are awesome. So well done, Verity, and thank you very much for sharing your creativity with us. I have absolutely loved creating with these. I hope that you all have a lovely, happy, safe, wonderful week. Stay crafty, and don't forget to hop through to the next video. Bye!